Welcome to 2727 Northwest 23rd Loop, located in the Dry Canyon neighborhood. On the northwest side of town, this single-level home has a covered front and back porch, is 2-bed, 2-bath, 1,566 square feet with central heat and AC. The location is second to none. The condition is excellent. The home is being sold, completely turnkey and furnished. And I will take you through on a tour of the home and backyard and the garage. Now standing in the foyer, moving into the great room, you can see the flooring is all LVP. Natural lighting is excellent. There's window treatments throughout, cellular blinds that are top down, bottom up. The home comes fully furnished. As you see, there's just one painting that's excluded. Being a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, it's very nice that they built in this office area. Gives great flexibility to the floor plan. Nine-foot ceilings throughout this single-level floor plan. Excellent storage, under-cabinet lighting, as you can see, that is turned on. Single bay sink, stainless appliances, natural gas range. This big door to the right is to the double attached garage. Storage closet there. The covered patio out back. There's hardscape throughout with drip system on a sprinkler timer. Very low maintenance. It's actually maintained by the HOA. Laundry room is on the right here. I'll open that up. Guest bedroom, that's a hide-a-bed that works perfect for this space. You can put a TV in this corner. So you have a second TV room if you want. Also, that hide-a-bed has been positioned at times against that window. And if you do move it there, it works pretty nice to have a TV or something in that corner that's being used for entertainment. Guest bathroom, tub shower combination, that same luxury vinyl plank in here. More closet storage. The primary fits a king very comfortably, even with large end tables. Same top down, bottom up blind there, leading out to that covered and lit patio. Space for the TV. Moving into the primary bath, awesome tiled shower, no scaling on that glass. It's been perfectly maintained with the squeegee. You've got tile floors here too on the floor of the primary. Pretty nice to have that in here. And you have the separately enclosed water closet as well with pocket door, quartz counters, undermount sink. Then your walk-in closet with bypass doors for easy access. This space on the side is perfect for a dresser, but it's really well organized, lots of space in here, well lit, very nice feature. And then the washer dryer area. It's not a utility room, but there's lots of space here. Very nice storage. Worth mentioning too, that is a gas fireplace. Moving into the garage, there's a workbench that stays as you see it. Very handy and out of the way. Can still fit vehicles in here comfortably. Does have the hose bib in here. And then your furnace, gas hot water, and central AC. Now on the covered back patio, very cool space. Again, you've got all of this hardscape that's maintained by the HOA that's in beautiful condition. Very nice to have this lit and as large as it is. The breeze blows through here gently in the afternoon. Power outlet. Just a great outdoor space for enjoying the beautiful Central Oregon outdoors.